Welcome to Mortgage Matters, the podcast on all things mortgage related. Whether you're a first-time buyer, buying your next home, or simply curious about the world of mortgages, this is the podcast for you. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of the mortgage industry. We're going to uncover valuable insights, expert tips, and more to help you navigate the complex world of home financing. From understanding different types of mortgages to demystifying loan jargon, from maximizing your borrowing power to managing your mortgage payments. Mortgage Matters covers it all. So, tune into Mortgage Matters and empower yourself with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about one of life's most important financial decisions. Hello and welcome back. Today we're diving into a particularly important topic for many aspiring homeowners in Houston. FHA loans. If you've ever wondered how to make home ownership more accessible, especially if you're working hard to make ends meet, then this episode is for you. We're going to explore how you can use your side hustle income to secure a mortgage and achieve your dreams of home ownership with expert tips and guidance. From First Nation Financial. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage with some basics. Owning a home is a dream for people living in Houston, but navigating the complex world of mortgages can be daunting, especially for first-time buyers. One of the most accessible options is the FHA loan, a program designed to make home ownership more achievable for those with lower down payments and less than perfect credit scores. If you're considering buying a home in Houston, understanding FHA loans could be your key to unlocking the door to your new home. And in this episode, we're going to explore the ins and outs of the FHA loans, their benefits, requirements, and how First Nation Financial can help you get the best deal. So, what exactly are FHA loans? FHA loans, insured by the Federal Housing Administration, are popular for home buyers, particularly those who are purchasing their first home. It was established in 1934 during the Great Depression. The FHA aims to improve housing standards and conditions, providing an adequate home financing system and stabilizing the mortgage market. FHA loans are designed to make home ownership more accessible, and they offer a few key benefits. Here are four of them. 1. Lower down payment requirements. The FHA loans typically require a down payment of just 3.5% of the purchase price. That makes it easier for buyers with limited savings to purchase a home. 2. Flexible credit requirements. Unlike conventional loans that often require high credit scores, FHA loans are more forgiving of past credit issues. Buyers with credit scores as low as 580 can qualify with a 3.5 down payment, while those with scores between 500 and 579 may still qualify with a 10% down payment. 3. Competitive interest rates. FHA loans generally offer lower interest rates compared to conventional loans, which can result in lower monthly payments and long-term savings. 4. Assumable loans. FHA loans are assumable, meaning that if you sell your home, the buyer can take over your existing mortgage. This can be an attractive selling point in a rising interest rate environment. By providing these advantages, FHA loans help broaden access to home ownership, and that ensures that more people can achieve their dream of owning a home. Now let's delve really deep into the specific benefits of FHA loans in Houston and how you can take advantage of them. Houston's diverse and dynamic housing market offers a range of opportunities for prospective homeowners, and FHA loans can be particularly beneficial for those buyers in this city. And here are 8 of the key benefits of choosing an FHA loan in Houston. First, the lower down payments. And again, one of the most significant advantages of FHA loans is the lower down payment, With as little as 3.5% down, buyers can enter the housing market without needing to save for years. And this is especially helpful in cities like Houston, where housing prices vary widely. And 2, easier credit qualifications. FHA loans are more lenient regarding credit scores. And while conventional loans might require higher scores, FHA loans allow buyers with scores as low as 580 to qualify with a 3.5% down payment. And this flexibility is crucial for first-time buyers or those recovering from past credit issues. 3, competitive interest rates. FHA loans have lower interest rates than conventional loans, and lower interest rates means lower monthly mortgage payments, and that makes it easier for home buyers to manage their finances and afford their dream homes. 4, assistant programs. Houston offers various homebuyers assistant programs that can be combined with FHA loans. These programs provide additional financial support, such as down payment and closing cost assistance. That makes home ownership even more attainable. 5, higher debt-to-income ratio is allowed. FHA loans typically allow for a higher debt-to-income ratio, meaning you can qualify for a loan even if you have existing debts. This is particularly beneficial in cities like Houston, where the cost of living can impact your overall debt levels. 6, assumable mortgages. FHA loans are assumable, like I said earlier, which means if you sell your home, the buyer can take over your existing loan. And that can be an attractive feature in a market with high rising interest rates, and it allows the buyer to benefit from your low rate mortgage. 7, stable monthly payments. With an FHA loan, you can choose a fixed rate mortgage, and that ensures your monthly payments remain consistent throughout the loan's life. This stability is invaluable for budgeting and long-term financial planning. And 8, support for first-time homebuyers. The FHA loan program is designed with first-time homebuyers in mind. It offers educational resources and counseling services to help you navigate the home buying process. When you take advantage of these benefits as a buyer in Houston, you can make your dream of home ownership a reality. Now, let's look at the requirements for qualifying for FHA loans so you can understand what it takes to get started. Qualifying for an FHA loan involves meeting specific requirements set by the Federal Housing Administration. These requirements are designed to make sure that borrowers are capable of managing their mortgage payments while making home ownership accessible to a broader range of people. And here's what you need to qualify for an FHA loan. 1, your credit score needs to be 580 and above. You need a minimum credit score of 580 to qualify for the 3.5% down payment option. If you have between 500 and 579, borrowers can still qualify, but they'll need to make down payments of at least 10%. 2, down payment. As mentioned, the minimum down payment is 3.5% of the purchase price for those with the credit score of 580 or higher. For scores between 500 and 579, it's a 10% down payment. 3, your debt-to-income ratio. The FHA allows for a higher debt-to-income ratio compared to conventional loans. Typically, your monthly mortgage payment should not exceed 31% of your gross monthly income, and your total monthly debt obligation should not exceed 43%. However, these limits can be extended in certain circumstances with compensating factors. 4, steady employment history. Borrowers need to show a steady employment history, usually for the past 2 years, preferably with the same employer or in the same line of work. Consistency and stability in employment indicate your ability to make regular mortgage payments. 5, primary residence requirement. FHA loans are only available for primary residences. That means the property must be your main place of living, and this ensures that the program supports those who are looking to buy a home to live in, not for investment purposes. 6, property standards. The property you are purchasing has to meet certain health and safety standards as set by the FHA. An FHA-approved appraiser will evaluate the home to make sure it meets those requirements. These appraisal processes ensure the home is safe, sound, and worth the loan of the amount. 7. Mortgage insurance premiums. FHA loans require both an upfront mortgage insurance premium and an annual mortgage insurance premium. This is typically 1.75% of the loan amount and can be rolled into the mortgage. And the annual mortgage insurance premium varies based on the loan term and the amount, and it is paid monthly as part of your mortgage payment. And 8, proof of income. Lenders will require documentation of your income, like pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements. This documentation helps verify that you have the financial means to repay the loan. When we understand these requirements, we can prepare ourselves for the FHA loan application process. But let's explain how First Nation Financial can assist you in navigating these requirements and securing your FHA loan. Applying for an FHA loan involves several steps, but it can be straightforward and rewarding experience with the right guidance and support. Here is an overview of the FHA loan application process. First, pre-approval. Before you start hunting, it's essential to get pre-approved for an FHA loan. This involves submitting your financial information to a lender who will assess your creditworthiness and provide pre-approval letter indicating how much you can borrow. Second, you've got your home search. Once you're pre-approved, you can begin searching for homes within your budget. Remember that FHA loans are intended for primary residence, so choose a property that meets FHA standards and suits your needs. Third, you have the loan application. When you find a home you like, you're going to work with your lender to complete the FHA loan application. And this involves providing detailed information about your finances, employment history, and the property you intend to purchase. And then fourth is your documentation. You have to submit documentation, and this includes pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements, and proof of identification as part of the application process. Your lender will use this information to verify your income, assets, and employment. And then fifth is the appraisal. The lender will order an appraisal for the property to ensure it meets FHA standards and that it's worth the loan amount. The appraiser will assess the property's condition, safety, and the market value. And then 6 is the underwriting. After you receive your application and documentation, the lender will submit your file for underwriting. This process involves reviewing your financial profile, employment history, credit score, and appraisal report to determine if you qualify for the loan. And then 7th is the loan approval. If your loan application is approved, you'll receive a commitment letter outlining the terms and conditions of the loan. Review the document carefully and ask your lender any questions you may have. And then 8th and finally is the closing. This is the final step. You'll sign the necessary paperwork to complete the transaction. You pay closing costs, including the upfront mortgage insurance premium and any applicable fees. Throughout the FHA loan process, First Nation Financial is going to be your trusted guide. We're going to assist you at every step and make sure you have a smooth and successful transition. Our experienced team is dedicated to helping you achieve your home ownership goals with confidence and ease. Selecting the right lender for your FHA loan in Houston is crucial to a successful and positive home buying experience. Here is a few key factors to consider when choosing an FHA lender. 1. Experience with FHA loans. Look for a lender who specializes in FHA loans and has a proven track record of helping clients secure these types of mortgages. Experience matters when navigating the complexities of FHA loan requirements and processes. 2. Local market knowledge. Choose a lender who's familiar with the Houston housing market. Local expertise can be invaluable when assessing property values, neighborhood trends, and FHA loan approved homes in your designated area. 3. Customer service. Find a lender known for excellent customer service and personalized attention. Buying a home is a significant financial decision, and you want a lender who communicates, responds promptly to inquiries, and guides you through each step of the loan process. 4. Competitive rates and fees. Compare interest rates, closing costs, and fees from multiple lenders to make sure you have a competitive offer. Lower rates and fees can save you money over the life of your loan. 5. Accessibility and availability. Consider the accessible and availability of your lender. Are they responsive to your needs? Can you easily reach them via phone, email, or in-person meetings? Choose a lender who prioritizes communication and accessibility. And then 6, you want a transparent process. Opt for a lender who explains the FHA loan clearly and transparently. You should provide detailed information about loan terms, requirements, and potential challenges, helping you make informed decisions. And 7, client reviews and testimonials. Read client reviews and testimonials to gauge the lender's reputation and reliability. Positive feedback from past clients, that's a good indicator of the lender's commitment to customer satisfaction. And 8, additional services. Consider lenders who offer additional services like homebuyer education programs, down payment assistance, and refinancing options. These services can add value and support to your home ownership journey. When you're looking at mortgage options, borrowers often compare FHA loans and conventional loans. Let's compare these two. First, FHA loans. FHA loans have low down payments that require a minimum down payment of 3.5%, and that makes them accessible to borrowers with limited funds. They also have flexible credit requirements. FHA loans have more lenient credit requirements compared to conventional loans, making them accessible to borrowers with lower credit scores. And they have government backing. FHA loans are insured by the Federal Housing Administration, which reduces risk for lenders and allows more favorable terms for borrowers. And there's a mortgage insurance premium. Borrowers pay an upfront mortgage insurance premium and an annual mortgage insurance premium for the life of the loan. Now let's check out conventional loans. They have a higher down payment. Conventional loans typically require a higher down payment, ranging anywhere from 3 to 20%. And a larger down payment can result in better loan terms and a lower monthly payment. They also have strict credit requirements. Conventional loans often require higher credit scores and a strong credit history compared to FHA loans. And there's also the private mortgage insurance. Borrowers with less than 20% down payment can be required to pay private mortgage insurance until they reach significant equity in the home. And there's also a more stringent underwriting. Conventional loans may have stricter underwriting guidelines, including rigorous income verification and a lower debt-to-income ratio. Borrowers have to demonstrate a stable income and low levels of debt relative to their income. So how do you choose the right loan? Well, an FHA loan is ideal for borrowers with lower credit scores or limited funds for down payment. The lenient credit requirements and lower down payment make home ownership more accessible for those with less financial stability or first-time home buyers. Whereas with a conventional loan, that's more suitable for borrowers with excellent credit and larger down payments, seeking competitive interest rates and lower ongoing costs. Conventional loans are often a better choice for those who can meet the stricter credit income requirements, so they can avoid long-term mortgage insurance costs. At First Nation Financial, we specialize in both FHA loans and conventional loans, and we provide personal guidance, and we will help you choose the right mortgage solution for your home ownership goals. Maybe you need the flexibility of an FHA loan or the competitive terms of a conventional loan. We're going to support you every step of the way. So contact us today and explore your loan options to start your journey towards home ownership. Now, FHA loans are a popular option for homeowners, but they come with some misconceptions. Let's debunk some common myths about FHA loans. 1. Myth. FHA loans are only for first-time home buyers. Fact. FHA loans are available to both first-time and repeat home buyers who meet eligible requirements. 2. Myth. FHA loans have high interest rates. Fact. FHA loans' interest rates are competitive and can be comparable to conventional loans. 3rd myth. FHA loans require perfect credit scores. Fact. While a higher credit score can improve your loan terms, FHA loans are accessible to borrowers with lower credit scores. And our 4th myth. FHA loans have strict income requirements. Fact. FHA loans have flexible income requirements, and allow borrowers to qualify based on their debt-to-income ratio. Fifth myth, FHA loans are only for low-income borrowers. Fact, FHA loans are available to borrowers across a wide range of income levels, with limits based on geographic location. Sixth myth, FHA loans are only for single-family homes. Fact, FHA loans can be used to finance various property types, including condominiums and multi-unit properties. Seventh myth, FHA loans require a large down payment. Fact, FHA loans have a minimum down payment requirement of 3.5%, making them accessible to borrowers with limited savings. And our eighth and final myth, FHA loans are very difficult to qualify for. Fact, FHA loans have streamlined qualification processes compared to conventional loans, making them more accessible for eligible borrowers. We have to understand the facts about FHA loans and how they will empower you to make informed decisions about your home ownership journey. At First Nation Financial, we're going to debunk the myths, we're going to provide accurate information, and we will guide you through the FHA loan process with confidence. So how exactly can First Nation Financial help with FHA loans in Houston? Navigating the FHA loan process can be overwhelming, but at First Nation Financial, we're here to simplify the journey and help you secure the FHA loan that's right for you. And here's how. 1. Expert guidance. Our expert team specializes in FHA loans, and we understand the unique requirements and nuances of the program. We'll provide expert guidance and personalized advice to ensure you make informed decisions every step of the way. 2. Customer solutions. We recognize that every borrower situation is different. Maybe you're a first-time home buyer or you're looking to refinance. We will tailor a customized solution to meet your needs and financial goals. 3. Streamlined process. Applying for an FHA loan can be complicated, but we're going to streamline that process for you, guide you through the application, documentation, and approval stages efficiently and easily. And 4. Local market knowledge. As a trusted FHA lender in Houston, we have in-depth knowledge of the real estate market, and we can provide valuable insight to help you find the perfect property and secure the best loan terms. And 5, exceptional service. At First Nation Financial, we prioritize customer satisfaction above everything else. You can count on us to deliver exceptional service, transparent communication, and prompt responses to your questions and concerns. At First Nation Financial, we are a trusted FHA lender in Houston. We're committed to helping individuals and families achieve their home ownership dreams. With our extensive experience, local market knowledge, and dedication to client satisfaction, we're here to confidently and easily guide you through the FHA loan process. Don't let misconceptions or uncertainties hold you back from exploring the benefits of FHA loans in Houston. With First Nation Financial by your side, you'll have the support and guidance you need to confidently navigate the FHA loan process and achieve your dream of home ownership. So contact First National Finance today and schedule a consultation with our FHA loan experts. Let us help you turn your home ownership dreams into reality. Visit our website at fnfloan.com to learn more and to get started. Thanks for listening. I hope you found this episode helpful. Subscribe and leave a review. Until next time, happy house hunting. Ready to take the first step towards home ownership? Contact First Nation Financial today to schedule a consultation with one of our experienced professionals. Together, we'll make your dream of owning a home a reality.